Hi guys and girls, I have worked out how to turn one yoke into two for the sim. I believe this will work for any yoke, including force feedback yokes. You would just need to design the moving frame to suit the size of your yoke. I will be doing another sim tour to show the improvements I've made, so stay tuned. The slideshow is there to help those who can put it all together themselves to see how I've done it, and hopefully you'll be able to work it out from that. Any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments section. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.